The kid next door.
Hello kids! The kid next door is back with another vegetable stamping activity for our young audience. So we have here with me today Yuvika, who is 8, and Yuvaan, who is 4, to enjoy this super fun activity and present it for you. So we are using potatoes, as it is potato stamping activity, and you see I'm taking one medium-sized potato which gives a perfect oval shape for us to draw, to paint the shape of Humpty Dumpty's head. So everybody knows who's Humpty Dumpty, right? The oval shape and Humpty Dumpty makes a perfect combination. So I have put just some pink poster color on the potato, and I have stamped it to get my first oval on the drawing sheet. And here I have Yuvika with me, who is 8, who is doing the activity and enjoying along. So we have our first impressions, but as we see, the impressions weren't very good. So we are painting over it to get the perfect oval. Well, I feel that we might have added extra layer of the paint to get the perfect impression. But anyways, if you get an impression like us, you always know that there is a way to fix all the mistakes that we do. After all, we learn from our mistakes, don't we? Alright, so next, after the Humpty Dumpty's head, now we are making some small ovals to put some balloons around the Humpty Dumpty. And now I have a 4-year-old young boy, Yuvaan, with me to have some more excitement along the way. So we are using a small oval potato, which is from the potato side, to put first impression in orange color. And now I'm going to pass over the same piece to Yuvaan, who is going to put the first impression as well. But you see, the hand slipped out of the excitement, of course, but again we just twisted it to get some oval-like shape. And then we are using another piece to mark another balloon impression in yellow color. So here we apply a thick coat of color on the balloon and put the impression in. You see, when the coat of color is thick, the impression comes perfect. And it's Yuvaan's turn now. And let's see what kind of impression will he make this time. Oh, the hand is much steady this time. And you see, the impression has come out to be lovely. Great job, Yuvaan. And now we'll make some more balloons. So I'm just cutting the potato pieces from the sides, from the ends basically. And we are using orange color this time. So we have another impression, and it will be Yuvaan's turn next. Let's see. And he applied a lot of pressure, so the impression is going to be perfect. Wow. Okay, now it's time for a green balloon. And here we have a green impression for the green balloon. Okay. And this is Yuvaan's turn, just helping him a bit in the placement of the balloon. And then he's going to lift the potato from the sheet. Okay, so we have the 4 balloons and we have Humpty Dumpty's head. We are going to leave it for drying completely. And then I have again Yuvika with me to make some fine details using a black marker pen. So we are first giving outlines to all the ovals that we have drawn, and then we'll be drawing the Humpty Dumpty's face and dress in the first oval. So here we have Humpty Dumpty's shirt and the trousers and hands on the sides. Now we are going to just connect all the balloons through Humpty's hand, and yeah, after that some more details in Humpty Dumpty's face. Alright, so there it is. Now we'll draw legs as if the Humpty Dumpty is sitting on a wall, because it's going to fall from the wall, remember? Okay, so here we have drawn the legs and the wall. Now again it's time for our stamping. So I have Yuvaan again with me to enjoy this stamping activity. Now this time I'm going to cut the potato in a shape of a rectangle. So I'm just taking the middle section of the potato to get a small rectangle. With this rectangle, we are going to stamp bricks on the wall upon which the Humpty Dumpty is sitting. So I'm using a dark brown shade this time to do the stamping, and once I'm done, I'll be passing the potato stamp that we have made to Yuvaan. So it's going to be Yuvaan's turn next. Okay. So you see, this 4-year-old boy is doing this activity independently. So it's fun for all the age groups, be it the young ones or even I had great fun. So teachers and students, parents and children, everybody can do this activity together and have fun with shapes, potato and colors. Okay, now I have used this light brown shade that I had. If you do not have a light brown shade, you can continue with whatever brown you have to add more bricks around. So yes, see, the little boy is putting so much pressure on the potato stamp to get the perfect impression. Alright, so we are almost done, but we just feel like adding more bricks to the wall. And okay, so we are going to leave it for drying again for some time. After the paint has completely dried, we'll add the color. So we are using simple plastic crayons to color the remaining components, which is the trousers, shoes, hands and the wall, and of course the background. So in this way you can have fun while creating a perfect scene around. Enjoy with shapes, colors. In simple way, children can do a lot of fun activities like this. Please let us know if you enjoyed it like how we are enjoying it right now. We are so eager to hear back from you. Goodbye, take good care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon. Bye-bye.